happy that you are still here. If you think you're getting old, well honey, let the truth be told. You only have eternity to go. You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just try. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just...
Hi pa! Happy 60th birthday! Surprise! Sana magustuhan mo tong birthday mo na to. Ganyan. I wish you all the best in life. Sana masaya ka sa iyong buhay. Wish ko na umabot pa ang iyong buhay. Maging masaya ka lang. Happy birthday!
Hi tatay! Happy 60th birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health, stay safe. Yun lang, surprise! Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Surprise!
Happy birthday, Papa Chris. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your B-Day and stay healthy, keep safe.
Happy birthday, Chris. 60 ka na ngayon, matanda ka na. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Magpayaman kang mabuti, ha. Kailan ka ba uuwi? Happy birthday na lang, pakain na lang ng handa. Ikain mo na lang ako. Kumusta sa inyo riyan lahat? Sana maging happy kayo sa birthday ng papa mo. O sige na, bye-bye na. Ingat kayong lahat.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris! More birthdays to come. Be, batiin mo si Lolo Chris. Sabi mo, Lolo Chris, happy birthday po.
Lola Chris, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday, Lola Chris.
Happy 60th birthday, Lolo Chris. See you soon. Flight ko na bukas. God bless. Marami kami nagmamahal sa'yo. Love from Monaco.
Happy birthday, Chokris! Happy 60th birthday!
Happy New Year.
Happy birthday, bro! Love you! Good health! Yeah, lagi kang mag-iingat! Love you! Sana humaba pa ang inyong mga buhay.
Hello, Chokris, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chokris! Wish you all the best, long life, good health, and God bless. We miss you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Chris. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best of happiness and good luck. Stay healthy and God bless. And enjoy a special day of yours. Bye.
Hi Cho, happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo yung surprise birthday sa'yo ng mga anak mo. And sana good health ka lang lagi. Happy 60th birthday ulit sa'yo.
Happy birthday po, Tito Chris Santiago.
Tito Chris, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.